Damage to foundation walls, Fairfax County, Virginia. Damage to foundation walls in clay soils often occurs when high shrink swell clays are placed in the backfill against basement foundation walls and retaining walls. While this practice is now expressly prohibited by Fairfax County, it was a common procedure back in the day, and may still occur where the builder is uninformed or careless. The potential swelling pressures of the clay far exceed the design strengths of the typical house foundation wall. Yeah. And that's what usually happens, Clay soil, underground tree roots, maybe even concrete slabs that settle, push against the wall, and other things, pushes the wall in, causes cracks on the outside of the block brick basement walls. And if the walls were purged when built, because some were not, that also cracks, deteriorates. And when any of that happens, here comes the water, seepage, right down here, almost always on the inside, but also some efflorescence, maybe some mold, paint peeling, crap like that, okay? Lastly, mind you, all of this are their words, based on application submissions and project reviews. The most successful repair method for basement walls damaged from clay backfill is to remove and replace the clay with sand or gravel and waterproof the outside of the wall. Night night.